Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a pumpkin brioche in 2 ways for Halloween. Let's make the pumpkin puree first. I picked the Japanese pumpkin because it's quite sweet and has a nutty flavor similar to chestnuts. To roast this pumpkin, I will preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. Chop the pumpkin, place the pieces in a baking tray. Roast the pumpkin for 40 minutes at 380 Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, it's easy to peel off the skin and mash the pumpkin. The pumpkin puree without seasoning is finished. Have 100 gram unseasoned puree set aside. I will add it to the brioche dough later. Transfer the rest puree into a saucepan. Keep it in low heat. Add some unsalted butter. Last, add some honey, mix them well. The pumpkin paste is finished. Let's make the brioche dough. Break 4 eggs into a stand mixer. Add some lukewarm milk, some sugar, yeast, honey, the unseasoned pumpkin puree we prepared before. Gradually add the bread flour. Keep the mixer at low speed. Add a little salt. Last, add the softened unsalted butter. Keep the mixer at medium speed for 7 minutes. Another 7 minutes at high speed. Let the dough proof for 2 hours. Two hours later, let's check the dough. Transfer it to the flour table. I will make the plain pumpkin brioche first. Degas half of the dough and quickly shape it into a ball. Then equally divide it into 3 pieces. Make 8 cuts to each piece. Let them rest for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, the size is doubled. Brush the egg wash. Add some pumpkin seeds on top. Bake them for 15 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. I will make pumpkin stuffed brioche now. Degas the remaining half dough. Roll out the dough into a rectangle shape. Keep the width less than 19 cm. Evenly spread the pumpkin paste we made before. Let the paste cover half of the dough. Then fold. Press well to seal. 2 centimeters away from the top. Equally make 7 cuts. Twist each single piece. Roll it from the top. Transfer to the baking tin and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the size is doubled. Brush the egg wash. Add some pumpkin seeds. Bake this bread for 25 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. Time's up. Let's check the bread. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So these 2 types of pumpkin brioche cost me almost $15. Hope you enjoyed the pumpkin brioche in the Halloween season. Thanks for watching my video.